Alright, so how to use GitHub. To make it much easier for yourself rather than having to go through the command line stuff, download the GitHub desktop app, as it's a much easier way to like clone and push changes. It's much more like visually appealing. So just go onto this website here, just look up GitHub desktop and click download, and then just go through the download setup. Alright, so this is the desktop app of GitHub. For you, if you haven't got any other repositories and you don't already have it installed, this will be empty. But for me, I've just got the current project that we're working on here. So the way you want to add a repository is you want to go File, and then for us, we're going to want to clone a repository. You'll now have this link. It will probably be selected on github.com, but you won't need this because this will just be whatever you have linked to your account. So for us, we're going to want to go to URL. Now, once we're in the URL, we're going to want bring up the repository on our GitHub. So this is the repository here for the main part. So on here, you're going to want to click on code, and now you're going to see this link here. All you want to do is copy this link, and then reopen your GitHub, paste this link, and for me, because I've already got it on here, it won't work. So instead, I'll use something that I haven't got. So for instance, I just found this, just Googled it, some weird thing for Unreal. So once again, I'll just come on here, copy the link, git, copy and paste, clone. It's going to clone that repository. Cool. Now you can see that on here. Now if I go to where I have everything saved on my GitHub, so come in here, you can see it's got the repository here that I just added, the nano. And here I can now open up that project and I can work on it. And then any changes that you make within the project of here will come up, changes that you made. You'll need to put a summary. And then once you've done that, up here, instead of fetch origin, it will say push origin. The same thing, if anyone else has made any changes, this will say pull instead of push. And if you pull that, it'll give you all the changes that have been made by anyone else. And yeah, you can work on it from there.